Gold prices have hit a historic high of $3,050 per ounce, crossing 89,000 rupees per 10 grams in India. While this is great news for investors, it's turning into a major crisis for the government. And why is that? Let's break it down for you. There are at least 4 or 5 factors, the first being the Middle East war and global uncertainty, the record-breaking gold prices and India's sovereign gold bond, also central banks that are now hoarding gold, as well as the weakening US dollar and rate cuts. Let me explain each of these factors. First, the Middle East war and global uncertainty. The ongoing war in the Middle East has triggered panic in global markets. Investors are rushing toward gold, a traditional safe haven asset. With fears of further escalation, gold demand is skyrocketing. London's gold supply is shrinking due to withdrawal delays and logistical issues. At the same time, traders are moving gold reserves from London to New York, fearing possible US tariffs under Trump's administration. All of this is tightening global supply and pushing gold prices higher. And here's where the big problem starts for the Indian government. Over the years, the government issued SGBs at much lower prices, promising to redeem them at market rates. Now, with gold at record highs, the payout liability has surged by 930%, reaching 1.13 lakh crore rupees. This means huge financial stress on government reserves.
देखो, सोने का दाम तो 2024 में चालू हो गया भाई, जब इसराइल और पालस्तीन का जो मतलब वार चालू हो गया, और उसके पहले आके रशिया और यूक्रेन का बीच में सीरिया का भी जो कुछ हुआ था, उसमें मतलब दाम बढ़ना चालू हो गया. जितने भी वर्ल्ड वाइड में इकोनॉमी बहुत मतलब वीक होते जाते रहे, तो उस टाइम पे काफी इन्वेस्टर्स, अभी देखो गोल्ड में तो इन्वेस्टर्स का गेम बहुत बड़ा रहता है, तो इन्वेस्टर्स आके लेके सोने में इन्वेस्ट करना चालू कर दिया. जब शेयर में कम कर दिया या बिटकॉइन में कम कर दिया या दूसरे इन्वेस्टमेंट कम करके सेफ पर्पस के लिए गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट करना चालू किया. तब 2024 में चालू किया तो 2024 से भाव ज्यादा होते होते 2024 तक खत्म हो गया. उसके बाद तो कोई वार नहीं है, सब सीजफायर हो गया, सब वार रुक दिया. उसके बाद जब ट्रंप ने चार्ज लिया जनवरी 20 तारीख, उस टाइम से वापस वार चालू हुआ, लेकिन ये वार आगे एकदम अलग तरीका था, ट्रेड वार हो गया ये.
Adding to the crisis, global central banks, especially China and India, are aggressively buying gold with projections of 800 to 1,000 tons in 2025. This reduces availability, driving prices even higher. The US dollar, meanwhile, has weakened by 3%, making gold even more attractive. Plus, the US Fed is expected to cut interest rates later in 2025, which could keep gold's upward momentum strong. With rising global tensions, supply shortages, and a growing financial burden, the Indian government faces a tough challenge ahead. Will gold continue to rise, or is a correction on the horizon? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on the global gold market. Do keep liking, sharing, and do subscribe to Free Press Journal on YouTube. Thanks for watching.